Here is a list. 49 days, 49 failures. I'll start.
No, he's asking.
I will ask. I'm answering his question.
Quote my manifesto and say
I will ask you.
on which we did not deliver.
No, watch Jaiveer Shergill, 1 second. At an important point in the debate, dear viewers, wherever you're watching it in India, it's an important point. I asked a question, which is my second question to the Congress party. And we have at least 3 questions each in this debate. I put a charge that the Congress manifesto, which has been released on this, a couple of days back, is nothing but a copybook paste of the Aam Aadmi Party manifesto.
Last 15 years.
Responding to my question.
Congress believes in giving rights.
Sir, please, let me.
BJP believes in snatching rights. Aam Aadmi Party does not even know the concept
let
of
me,
rights.
Jaiveer, responding to me, the Aam Aadmi Party representative Raghav Chadha has challenged the Congress in the studio that name one thing which we have not brought out already.
One promise from my manifesto on which we did not deliver.
Yeah, answer him.
From my manifesto on which we did not deliver.
Permanency of DTC employees.
Okay. That's the only thing that you have on
I have a list of 49.
The day Mr.
Winter shelters, night shelters, 177 people died.
Sir, allow me to complete. Go and check your records of the government of the NCT.
You are disputing 177 people. I don't need a record to check. I read my paper. There are deaths. There are bodies on the road.
I'm extremely happy to announce this on your channel today, Mr.
Which
Goswami.
is what?
That 22,000 people who were on contractual label were offered permanent jobs. So please check your facts before asking all these flimsy, baseless questions.
Subsidy increased to 30% to 50% only for 3 months. You said
we delivered the tariff. We delivered. No, we audited.
You said lower the tariff.
We ordered the audit. You guys stalled the audit. The CAG of the country is saying the Bijli companies are not cooperating with me because the Congress is not cooperating.
Can I judge this? No, can I judge this? No, I'm going to make a factual judgment on this. I'll play arbitrator. A question has been raised here. Name one point.
And I did.
Yes, 1 second. You did. He responded. Is Jaiveer lying or are you wrong? I'll tell you the fact. Now, Jaiveer, don't mind it. But in November 2013, the Aam Aadmi Party says, point 20.1, no contractual employment will be allowed against posts that allow work to be done all year round. Jobs would be regularized and made permanent. January 25, 2015, please look at your Congress manifesto. Word to word, Congress promises to end the contractual system for Safai Karamcharis and regularize all those who work more than 4 years. Regularization of 3 and 4 employees and DTC drivers already working. Apart from a few punctuation marks and full stops, you've just copy-pasted what they said.
And not just this.
No,
and not just this, sir.
Arnab,
sir, am I wrong?
Am I wrong? Let me give a reality check here.
Let me give a reality check. The Congress for the past
do you respect intellectual property rights of the Aam Aadmi Party on this?
They are the last party we will copy. What we are saying,
every word
from our policy has been copied by Aam Aadmi Party. From giving right to poor people,
but we don't mind.
Workers, right to farmers,
we don't mind.
Right to slum people, right to shelter. Which word of our manifesto has not been copied by them?
I am accepting this. We have no hesitation, no issues.
Aam Aadmi Party
you can copy our manifesto.
We have delivered on our manifesto.
We appreciate the fact that you
copied our manifesto. 49 days.
We appreciate that you copied our manifesto.
We delivered on our manifesto for the past 15 years.
Okay.
We didn't run in 49 days.
Imitation is the best form of flattery.
Question number 3 goes to the Aam Aadmi Party. Viewers are judging. I'm deliberately moving fast so we don't stay on one point. My question number 3 is to the Aam Aadmi Party. Sudhanshu is looking a little left out of the debate. I'm sure he'll take his opportunity to come back. Question 3 to you is this. Sir, accept it, Mr. Chadha. You may be well-meaning. You personally may be young and idealistic, but your party is nothing but a bundle of contradictions in matters of governance. An election is not just about a debating contest. It's about governance. Point after point, you said, I will not take support of the Congress. You did so. That's for contradiction number 1. You said, I will stay there, I'll serve you, resigned in 49 days. You didn't conduct a referendum when you resigned. One sec. You were a bundle of contradictions. You made a series of promises to people in the course of trying to be a former government. You did all the big, swearing in ceremony, all very nice. You're a good event manager. But at the end of it, beyond
the Prime Minister.
Well, you're competing for event management status. Some people say Arvind Kejriwal is a good event manager. You didn't regularize unauthorized colonies. You didn't rehabilitate people in slums. You didn't set up courts to ensure speedy justice. So what they are saying to you today, and I'm just making, because this governance is a very important issue. They are saying to you today, you are a bunch of amateurs and enthusiasts. You are just a bunch of disgruntled people who came together. But Kiran Bedi does governance. They are saying governance is our strength.
Okay, I'll answer that.
Making a noise is yours. Raghav Chadha, that's question number 3 to you. Sudhanshu will respond after he speaks. Please, इसमें जरा खुलकर इनको जवाब देने दीजिए. जी.
No, don't forget.
I am not forgetting.
And I am addressing to your viewers also. There might have been certain lapses, some faults at our part. We are learned. We are learning. We're in a learning process, and we have learned. It's AAP 2.0. We have for the past 3 months. 2.0. For the past 3 months,
what was it in January?
The Aam Aadmi Party for the past 3 months has been conducting a program called as Delhi Dialogue. In that dialogue, we have enumerated a complete blueprint for Delhi. Every aspect has been economically, socially analyzed. Impact analysis have been done, and we have come out with an actionable plan for Delhi. You know, on women's security, on youth, on jobs, on VAT, on Wi-Fi, on solar. That is point number one.
Lecture.
Point number two. No, I am telling you why will the people. I'll tell you. I'll answer that.
Trust you again.
The problem really is, Mr. Goswami and Trivedi ji, the Bharatiya Janata Party has nothing to offer. You are even running away from a manifesto. We are giving a blueprint. We are giving an actionable plan to the people of Delhi that once we form government, this is what the promises on which we'll deliver. The BJP is such a divided house that you decided not even come out
again.
With a
you're going to the BJP.
No, because you mentioned the comparison with Miss Bedi. Now the problem really is that if you ask Miss Bedi today, and with the highest respect that I have for her, what is the difference? What is the difference between unauthorized colony and regular?
Why are you not answering the question on governance? Why are you not answering the question on governance?
You would not be able to answer that.
Why are you not answering the question on governance? Because Arvind Kejriwal said, Raghav, Arvind Kejriwal
said, for the past 3 months, empty number of opinion polls have been conducted. Every opinion poll has said that more than 60% voters in Delhi believe that 49 days, those 49 days were of phenomenal governance. You haven't seen more efficient government.
My question, Raghav Chadda, Mr. Raghav Chadda, with the greatest of respect to you, and you are eloquent, I must admit, but you have to have some factual basis. Please allow me. You see, did the people ask you to raise expectations? You know what? You raised expectations so high, and I will
acknowledge our governance.
I will quote.
They have given the mandate.
You are nobody to give yourself a certificate.
You betrayed the people and ran away.
This is Arvind Kejriwal's quote. He says, "Everybody has a first time. The Aam Aadmi Party of this country knows how to cook. The Aam Aadmi knows how to weave clothes. The Aam Aadmi knows how to build houses. It is the Aam Aadmi who went to the moon, not a politician. The Aam Aadmi will now show he also knows to govern." In doing so, no, let me complete. Sir, you must allow me to complete. Why am I saying this? Arvind Kejriwal made himself a symbol of the Aam Aadmi and says, "I on your behalf will govern." He did not say, "I on your behalf will lie on the road, make a scene, attract the cameras and then resign."
I'll answer that. Pin by point.
Think.
Dialogue, debate, discussion, dharna, dissent. All 5 are an integral part of the functioning of this democracy. You might agree, sir, you might agree with certain aspects. You might not agree. The point really is that we are here to serve the people of Delhi with honesty, integrity, allegiance, uprightness.
Response now.
And the people of Delhi are willing to give us a
response now.
We have laid down a plan. Ask the BJP if they have a plan for Delhi or not.
A response now from the BJP.
So can you allow me a few seconds uninterrupted? My sympathies are with Aam Aadmi Party, as you've already pointed out.
They should remain.
Yes. The problem is, from taking a stand that will not join the politics, then you realize there is something different. If you want to contribute to the society, you join politics. Then taking a stand, I will not take support of Congress Party, then eventually you have to take whatever the circumstances were. Then in Delhi, you said that you will bring down the prices by 50% of electricity. Then you realize it is only possible through subsidy. Then after 49 days, in the words of your leader Arvind Kejriwal, I have committed a mistake.
Absolutely not.
It means
what are you saying?
Gradually
mistake in what sense?
Learning side by side, which signifies an immature party. Now,
ask a counter question.
Now let me complete the sentence.
Let him ask a counter question.
Party is concerned, from Anna to Agnivesh, from Kiran Bedi to Madhu Bhaduri, from Ashwini Upadhyay to others, and you have raised so much of hopes and are able to keep your flock together.
Sir, what is your plan for Delhi? Forget this. Ye sab janta janti hai. What is your plan for Delhi? What will you do for electricity, water, unauthorized colonies, healthcare, education? क्या करेंगे? अरे sir, बताइए ना. What will you do for Delhi?
I have requested you, let me complete.
Let him complete. Raghav, let him complete.
Given you so much of time.
Let him complete. But come to the point, sir. You know what? One sec, Mr. Trivedi. एक कंप्लेंट है आपसे, आप सवाल भी नहीं पूछ रहे, आप जवाब भी नहीं दे रहे,
मैं जवाब
आप बढ़िया से अलग से खड़े होकर आप स्पीच दे रहे हैं। मैं आपसे आग्रह करूंगा, आप काउंटर क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लीजिए। गवर्नेंस पे सवाल था इनसे। इफ यू हैव अ काउंटर क्वेश्चन ऑन गवर्नेंस, आस्क द क्वेश्चन। आई गिव यू 20 seconds. Please ask the question now.
As far as the first, I will have to complete my previous sentence.
Again, you are making a speech. You come to the question. No. He has a question.
Actually, as far as the electricity is concerned, they said that they will bring down the prices. Then they realized it is a subsidy. Our Prime Minister has said that we will bring down a competition which will gradually bring down the rates and better the quality. Let me complete the sentence. Like we have done in 99-2000 in mobiles. At that time, the rate was 16 rupees per minute and it was brought down to 16 paise per minute. This is our
Simple
vision.
answer, sir.
And you have raised so much of hopes, but unable to deliver. This can be exemplified in one line. Now I have to complete. So much of hopes have been created that everybody will go to moon. But the reality is, नादान तमन्ना रेती में उम्मीद की कश्ती खेती है। एक हाथ से देती है दुनिया, 100 हाथों से ले लेती है। ये खेल है कब से जारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी-बारी।
अब you are unable to keep your flock together. क्या आप किरण बेदी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं सुधांशु जी? सुधांशु, ये जो एक मिनट बिछड़े हैं, क्या कहा आपने? लास्ट वर्ड क्या था आपका? जो आपने
सभी बारी-बारी
बिछड़े सभी बारी-बारी। आप क्या दिल्ली के बीजेपी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? सभी तो बिछड़ रहे हैं। एक तरफ है बिदुरी,
अग्निवेश, किरण बेदी से मधु भादुड़ी, साजिया इल्मी से बिन्नी, अश्विनी उपाध्याय से अनुरंजन झा,
त्रिवेदी जी ऐसा बोलने चले गए क्या 10 लोग छोड़ के चले गए आपने हवा मचा दी? सुन लीजिए, I'll answer your pinpointed question. The people of Delhi actually
when we lost the election, we were two seat party in 1994.
आप कह चुके हैं, आपने
a single senior leader.
आप कह चुके हैं सुधांशु जी,
this is the difference. First election we won 4 parliamentary seats, so calm down. Please understand, as far as electricity is concerned, it's a very important electoral promise and a concept in Delhi. Electricity, as you mentioned and your Prime Minister mentioned, that you will promote competition and reduce the prices. I'll give you empirical evidence. In Maharashtra, in Mumbai, it has been done that competition has been promoted, but electricity prices have gone up by almost 200%. So promoting competition is not the solution. Promoting competition is point number 4 on my electricity manifesto of 2013. I remember it word by word. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, we have said something very systematically and have been conveying this to the people of Delhi. We are not saying that we are here for a permanent subsidy regime. Absolutely not. We are giving a temporary subsidy until when the CAG audit of these electricity discoms is completed. Once the CAG audit, the metering audit, the slab revision has happened, prices will automatically come down. I can give you the rationale if you want to know. I can give you a rationale. I can give you the rationale. I will give you the rationale.
You will get the electricity.
आप जवाब दे देता हूँ. I'll give you.
I know the agenda. They will say Haryana is not giving water.
I can answer.
Watch now, Raghav Chadda, I have a personal question for you. Raghav Chadda, is it true that you are a chartered accountant? No, one second. Is it true you are a chartered accountant?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Raghav Chadda,
explain the economics.
I'll explain it to you. This is the problem with you. When you go among the people, Arvind Kejriwal talks like a neta. No, then he goes and fails. After failing, he sends people like you to speak like chartered accountants in television studios. Mr. Chadda, neta jab bahar bolta hai,
what do I do?
No, but you're fooling the people. You raised expectations.
Sir,
you didn't talk like this when you told people that you have a blueprint.
manifesto. This is precisely what we've written. Please understand.
Counter question. Counter question.
I'll answer that.
Where in your manifesto was the word temporary subsidy? You said we will reduce the electricity charges. But where was the temporary subsidy?
The Congress party, the Congress manifesto this time around has promised subsidy. Your manifesto of 2015 has promised subsidy. What are you talking?
Repeating
how can you question this?
You said we will reduce the tariff.
Sir, you have copied our promise. You have copied this promise.
Only up to 3 months.
You have promised this electricity promise.
Don't keep parroting temporary subsidy. Your manifesto said we will.
Sir, we promised, we delivered.
Here is the document: 8% electricity tariff increase.
We promised, we delivered.
8%.
Sir, go and ask the
people. Show it. Where is it? Show him the paper. Which
8%?
Show the documents. Show the documents. Which document are you waving? Which document?
There is 8%.
Which
fact? This is.
Here is the 8% is a
Congress
fact.
major. I mean, look at this.
No, here are my point. 8%
What is
a
this?
decrease.
It's a blog post by someone.
So he says that this is not an authentic document. I give it back to you.
By someone.
Okay,
But not authentic.
Arnab, my challenge to Raghav Chadda.
no, he
call
said-
the DISCOM right now. 8% increase in electricity charges.
First
yes
answer on
or
this.
no?
First answer
call
on this.
the DISCOM right now. I challenge you.
First tell me what is
Call
that.
the DISCOM right now. I challenge you.
So first you
whether
substantiate
8%
that.
increase
Okay,
or not.
I am a chartered accountant. He's a lawyer. Ask him to
Neither of us
substantiate
are.
that.
Neither are from.
What is that document?
No, neither from us are from DISCOM.
What is that document? Don't get
It's
worked up. What
a
is that
data document. It's a compilation of a data document.
What is the document?
It's a compilation of data document.
Show the document. Let the people
You call
see.
the DISCOM.
Give me the document. Let the people see. I point it out.
Okay,
Give me the document.
okay, reverse.
Give me the document.
This document is not worth anything. Please
Chalo,
call
finally,
the DISCOM. I am putting
the
a devil's
gospel-
advocate.
So he's lying on your show.
No, I'm not lying.
Basically, he's lying on your show.
Can you dispute the fact? Call the DISCOM right now. 8% was the
Sir,
tariff. Electricity tariff is charged, right or not?
blatant
No,
white lie.
the point being made, Raghav, is a point which the BJP also makes, that Arvind Kejriwal raised expectations.
And met the expectations.
Please, no, please, 1 second. You can't be giving yourself a set. Then he realized he's not going to be able to deliver. If it goes on for 2-3 months, expectations will fall down before you are officially declared by the people to have failed. Reading the signals on the wall, he simply went out of the cockpit.
Mr. Goswami,
He
that
decided
subsidy,
to move out.
That subsidy cost us 250 crores. The Gujarat's Chief Minister Anandiben Patel, on being appointed, bought an aircraft worth 350 crores. We are giving the money of the people to the people.
To those
I mean,
people who took part in that protest. Why not to everybody?
I want to ask the more fundamental question.
For every promise.
I
you
want
get.
to
Let's
ask the
talk
more
promises.
fundamental question.
Sir, I
from
want
where
to
you will
talk
get the
promises.
electricity.
What will you do in
I know when you will come in power.
What?
When you will come in power, you will say Haryana is not giving water. Then you will fight
Sir,
with the
there
Haryana
is enough
government.
water in Delhi. I
Then you
can
will
give you the
say
figures.
that
There is
Uttarakhand or other
500
states are not
MGD
giving
water available
electricity.
in Delhi.
Then you will say
The
the
annual
center is
demand
not
is
giving
900
any
MGD.
money.
I am
Because
giving you
the
figures.
reason is
I am talking about
Aam
figures.
Aadmi Party is having the national ambition. Arvind Kejriwal.
Is it wrong to? Is it illegitimate to? Did Narendra Modi not have a national ambition? Does Amit Shah not have national ambitions? Does Rajnath Singh not have national ambitions? And by the way, on electricity,
अरविंद केजरीवाल मुख्यमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार हैं, मगर वो एक अद्भुत और अपूर्व मुख्यमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार हैं, जो प्रधानमंत्री पद की दावेदारी करने के बाद मुख्यमंत्री पद की दावेदारी कर रहे हैं.
छोटा सवाल.
They will use the opportunity of Delhi government if at all they get.
Question
Question
number 3. No, you don't ask question. Sudhanshu Trivedi, question number 3, which goes to you. Are you ready for the third question? Please, we are on the issue of electricity. I'm glad you raised it because I have a question for you. Sir, as far as I remember, in August 2013, the Bharatiya Janata Party says there will be a 30% cut, 30 or 35% cut in power tariffs.
And again in the Lok Sabha.
Now, Sudhanshu ji, be honest to yourself. लोगों तो कहते हैं कि 30% हम कम कर देंगे पावर के दाम, फिर जाके चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके जुलाई 2014 में 8.34% घटाते नहीं है. आपने तो कहा था 30% घटाएंगे, 8.34% बढ़ा दिया आपने जुलाई में. ये अगर धोखा नहीं है तो मुझे बताइए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, धोखा क्या होता है उसका जरा मुझे समझाइए. धोखा क्या होता है, उदाहरण दीजिए. धोखा क्या होता है?
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
नहीं, आप मुझे बताइए. मैंने जो आंकड़े रखे आपके सामने, ये सही है कि गलत है?
Yes, I agree to that.
तो फिर आपने धोखा दिया?
जी नहीं, मैं बता
कैसे हो सकता है?
The constitutional and legal position for making
Constitutional and legal क्या है?
It has to be done by the elected government.
Oh, please,
this was not the government of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Please.
When the government is not there, it is the
city of Delhi is
counter question. Please. Counter question.
So we have to transform the entire
all fairness,
can be done by the elected government.
in all fairness, you must agree today that you have miserably failed on the electricity promise. The people of Delhi know that. At least on this promise, you must agree. You promised 30% reduction in your assembly manifesto, in your Lok Sabha manifesto.
Whenever our government
not
will be there,
the prices have been, sir, because Delhi has been ruled by the center for the past 8 months. What are
CAG audit of DISCOM for
Mr.
the past
Jaitley
9
laid
months.
down the complete budget for the last 8 months. What is wrong with your question?
One question.
You
My
are
question
ruling
is-
Delhi. Just one
Raghav,
second. You have been ruling Delhi for the past 8 months. Mr. Jaitley had a golden opportunity of laying the full budget for the year. What is wrong with you? How can you just...
Arnab, my question is, despite the Delhi High Court order directing a CAG audit, why in the past 9 months BJP government has not initiated that CAG audit?
There are certain processes which has to
It's
be
a Delhi High Court
initiated by
order.
the Delhi government.
It's a Delhi High Court
Yes,
order.
of course it is the order,
Which
but
was
it is
put in place
required
by the Aam
certain
Aadmi
Delhi
initiatives
High
from
Court
the Delhi
order.
government.
It's
And
a
the
Delhi High
government
Court
is not in
order.
office.
You can
When
be
the
in
government
contempt
will
of
initiate,
court.
the central government
BJP
will
stands
also
in
be-
contempt
No,
of court.
no. One second. One second. The fact of the matter is, you know what, Mr. Trivedi? The shoe pinches on the other foot. Now, the CAG, you are very well aware, I think it was in June. No, in June this year, is begging you,
Is literally
requesting
on its
you.
knees begging
It is
you.
literally on its knees saying the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi should persuade the DISCOMs
Absolutely.
to cooperate with the audit.
They are not giving the books of accounts for vetting.
The audit is
the
still
level of
not
the private
half
DISCOMs.
complete.
Arnab,
अगर ये धोखा नहीं है तो धोखा क्या होगा? क्या आप समझते हैं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, सिर्फ किरण बेदी को मुख्यमंत्री के उम्मीदवार कर देने से ये जो कठिन सवाल है ये आपसे पूछे नहीं जाएंगे? आप जरा सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, आप फिर स्पीच मत दीजिए।
कंपनियों को बाध्य करने के लिए there are certain legal and procedural amendments which are required.
But we didn't have any legal body
which was not
Is there any legal body?
One revelation on your channel.
One at a time.
Your new CM aspirant, Ms. Bedi, has made a revelation for your party and your cadre and for the people of Delhi. She said in a recent interview that electricity is not even a concern for the people of Delhi. Sir, you have a chief ministerial candidate who says that full statehood is not even on my priority list. Electricity is not even a concern. How will you make the people of Delhi understand that they should at least give you one vote or one seat? You don't even have an agenda or a vision for the people of Delhi.
These are asking question to us.
Because that's the main and most important point.
In the electricity, Ajay Makan was the electricity minister.
Sir,
and the other who
Ms.
has
Bedi ka
provided
bataiye.
subsidy from the government exchequer directly to the
Sir, what about your chief minister?
And now they are making such a tall claim without understanding the ground reality of the technicality.
Question number 4 comes.
No, last question. There are 360 villages across Delhi. In your budget, sir, when you're talking about smart cities, why is there no allocation for these rural villages around Delhi?
Okay.
If your heart beats so much for Delhi, why in your allocation was there zero?
चंद बातें करना और मुतमई होना नहीं अच्छा। सियासत आखिरी दम तक सभी को आजमाती है। बहुत गलती की गुंजाइश नहीं होती सियासत में, जहां किरदार हल्का हो कहानी डूब जाती है।
If there can be a counter question, there can be a counter round of poetry.
रख हौसला, मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चल के खुद समुंदर भी आएगा। थक कर मत बैठ जाना है मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा।
You are creating so much of aspirations, not realizing reality. So कागज का है लिबास, चिरागों का शहर में, चलना संभल संभल के क्योंकि तुम नशे में हो।